TV for kids.
I'm Froggy the Frog.
Hey, hey, hey,
Come join the crew. We are learning what animals eat and do. From trunks that swing and tails that wag. Let's meet up, friends, and pack your bag.
hello, hello, I'm Froggy the Frog. Hop, hop, hop on a leafy log.
With big round eyes and a smile so wide, I jump and splash by the riverside.
Can you hop like Froggy?
Hop, hop. I jump so high and jump so far.
Boing, boing, boing.
Here we are. From rock to pond, I love to play.
Hopping, hopping all the day.
Let's all jump.
Boing, boing.
I eat small bugs
Snap, snap, snap,
with my long tongue.
quick like that.
Catch them fast.
1, 2, 3.
Yummy snacks just for me.
Can you snap like Froggy?
Ribbit, ribbit.
That's my song.
Sing with me and
Hop along.
I croak out loud both day and night, making music.
What a delight.
Say Ribbit like Froggy?
Ribbit, ribbit.
I start as a tadpole in the water blue, then grow legs.
That's something new.
I change and grow
That's my
a
way.
froggy life every day.
Did you know frogs grow from tadpoles?
I'm Froggy the Frog, happy and free, jumping around for all to see. When you see me, smile and say,
Hi, Froggy.
come and play.
Woo!
Let's all hop together. Hop, hop, hop.
Ribbit, ribbit too.
Splash, splash, splash.
I see you. I'm Froggy the Frog, come and play. Let's have fun the Froggy way. We met a friend and learned a lot, like what they eat and what they've got.
We heard their sounds and saw their walk. Some love to jump and some just squawk.
We clapped, we danced, we moved around and learned new things with every sound.
The fun's not over, come and say.
We'll meet more friends another day.
So don't forget, come back and see.
More happy fun on Happy TV.
For more fun and playful rhymes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.